They told you for decades that oatmeal was the healthiest way to start your morning. But the truth most people over 60 never hear is that a comforting bowl may hold your muscles back. Why? Because while oatmeal can fill your belly, it doesn't give your body the building blocks it desperately needs after 60. As we age, something called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle, creeps in silently. Studies from the National Institutes of Health show that adults past 60 can lose up to 3% of their muscle yearly if they don't get enough protein. That means every breakfast is more than just fuel. It's either helping you fight muscle loss or quietly speeding it up. I'm Evelyn Brooks, and in this video, I'll reveal a simple morning routine that can keep your legs stronger, your energy steadier, and your independence longer. Let's talk about oatmeal, the breakfast that's been praised for decades. Yes, it has fiber, helps lower cholesterol, and is warm and comforting on a cool morning. But here's the part most doctors don't emphasize. Oatmeal is mostly carbohydrates with very little protein. And after 60, protein is the nutrient your muscles crave most. Robert, a 67-year-old retired postman I worked with, ate oatmeal daily. By mid-morning, he felt shaky and weak while climbing stairs. His muscles weren't being fed what they needed. The lesson? Oatmeal isn't bad, but it leaves your body unprotected. Now, let's bring in the first muscle-saving hero, eggs. These aren't just a breakfast habit, they're nature's most efficient delivery system for rebuilding strength. Each egg is rich in leucine, the amino acid that acts like a signal switch, telling your muscles, it's time to repair and grow. Think of leucine as the foreman on a construction site. Without it, the crew stands around, waiting. Two simple eggs give you about 12 grams of complete, easy-to-absorb protein. That's precisely what your body needs after a night of fasting. I often think of Maria, a 70-year-old grandmother of 5. She felt her legs tiring on the stairs, but after adding 2 eggs to her mornings, she noticed her balance and stamina improving. The message is clear. Starting your day with eggs isn't about tradition. It's about giving your muscles the signal to rebuild and keep you strong. The second powerhouse on your plate is cottage cheese, an unsung hero many over 60 overlook. Unlike fast-burning proteins, cottage cheese is packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that steadily releases amino acids for hours. That makes it especially valuable in the morning, when your body is recovering from an overnight fast. Instead of burning through fuel quickly, you stay in a gentle rebuilding mode until lunch. It's also light on the stomach, a real advantage if heavy breakfasts make you feel sluggish. The Mayo Clinic points out that casein helps preserve lean muscle and keeps appetite steady, reducing mid-morning crashes. I think of Samuel, a 72-year-old retired teacher who swapped his buttered toast for cottage cheese and noticed his energy lasting through his morning walks. Quiet, simple, and nourishing. Cottage cheese works behind the scenes to keep your muscles protected. Now let's add the finishing touch. Leafy greens. They may not seem like breakfast food, but they're essential for your muscles and joints. Spinach, kale, arugula, or Swiss chard are loaded with magnesium, potassium, vitamin K, and antioxidants, a nutrient cocktail designed to keep your body moving smoothly. Magnesium helps prevent cramps and stiffness. Potassium supports a steady heart rhythm and muscle contractions. Vitamin K strengthens bones and protects against fractures. And antioxidants? They fight the hidden inflammation that often causes sore knees, stiff hips, or that sluggish feeling in the morning. Lightly sautéing these greens in olive oil makes their nutrients easier to absorb. I often think of Michael, a 73-year-old former carpenter who struggled with morning stiffness in his hands. After adding a handful of greens to breakfast, he said, "My joints feel less rusty." It's a small step with big rewards. Greens act like the oil that keeps your muscle engine strong. Now, let's put it all together into one powerful formula: 2 eggs, half a cup of cottage cheese, and a handful of leafy greens. Simple, fast, and surprisingly effective. Research from the NIH shows that older adults who get 20-30 grams of protein at breakfast maintain significantly more muscle and strength than those who don't. This plate may look modest compared to pancakes or a heaping bowl of oatmeal, but don't let appearances fool you. It's engineered to keep your muscles fed, your balance steady, and your energy stable well past mid-morning. My patients often say, "I don't feel shaky at 10 a.m. anymore, and my knees feel stronger on the stairs." Think of this trio as your daily armor, protecting your independence one breakfast at a time. Of course, no one wants to eat the same thing every day. The good news? You don't have to. This breakfast formula is flexible and easy to keep interesting. Scramble your eggs with mushrooms, bell peppers, or onions for extra flavor and antioxidants. If you have a sweet tooth, mix cottage cheese with berries, cinnamon, or even a drizzle of honey. Prefer something savory? Add fresh herbs, sliced tomatoes, or cucumber. And don't feel locked into spinach. Swap it for kale, arugula, or even lightly steamed broccoli or zucchini. For an extra boost, sprinkle in flaxseed or chia seeds. These tiny additions bring omega-3s and fiber, supporting heart health and digestion. The World Health Organization notes that diets rich in plant variety reduce inflammation and improve mobility in older adults. Variety isn't just about taste. It keeps your body nourished and your routine enjoyable. But what if you genuinely love oatmeal and don't want to give it up? The solution isn't to abandon it, it's to upgrade it. Plain oats with just banana or honey deliver mostly sugar and quick-burning carbs. That sets you up for fat storage, not muscle repair. Instead, pair your oats with protein. Stir in a scoop of protein powder, mix in cottage cheese, or enjoy oats alongside 2 eggs. Suddenly, that same bowl goes from a sugar spike to a muscle-building meal. I remember Helen, a 65-year-old retired nurse, who said she felt drained mid-morning after her healthy oatmeal breakfast. Once she added cottage cheese and seeds to her oats, she noticed steady energy and no more crashes. So, if oatmeal is your comfort food, keep it. But make it work for you, not against you. Why does protein matter so much in the morning? After a night of fasting, your body wakes up in a catabolic state. That means it's breaking down tissue, including muscle, to keep your system running. Your first meal decides whether you stay in breakdown mode or switch into repair. Protein flips that switch early in the day. Studies from Harvard show that older adults who load 20-30 grams of protein in the morning preserve up to 25% more muscle than those who delay it until later. Hormones like cortisol and insulin shift at sunrise, making your muscles extra sensitive to amino acids. That's why breakfast is your best window for building, not losing. Give your body empty carbs, and it shrinks. Give it protein, and it strengthens. It really is that simple and that powerful. So tomorrow morning, you have a choice. Will you reach for the same old bowl of oatmeal? Or will you give your body the tools it needs to stay strong? 2 eggs, half a cup of cottage cheese, and a handful of greens. That simple plate can mean steadier legs, more energy for your day, and confidence in every step you take. I've repeatedly seen that small daily decisions create the most significant changes. Try this breakfast for just 1 week and notice how your body responds. If you value your independence and want to keep living actively, this is a step you can take today. And if this helped you, subscribe for more tips and share in the comments. What's your go-to breakfast right now?